crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say.
So we're onto the back section now. We've got, I started sanding yesterday afternoon before I left. Now it's a full strip down. Now I don't know which one of you guys are superstitious, but for so many years, ever since I can remember, I'm not really superstitious, but I am in one way. Now here we are, we've got a trestle that's open. I won't walk underneath that trestle. I won't walk underneath that ladder, and I'll always walk around it. So I don't know where I've got that from, but I won't do that. But anyhow, this is the back. And I just started sanding this morning. I did a couple yesterday before I left. It has to be a full strip back. That's my weapon. But basically what I've done is I've just run the 4-inch sander in here. Now that'll get that back. Now that was all badly peeling. I don't even have one to actually show you what it was like. But this is what we've got. We've got it badly peeling. And the only way we can fix that, like you could spend hours there by hand. This way here you could spend 10 minutes and strip the whole balustrading, whole section down. So that's what we want to get it to. And we're feathered off up here, so that's fine. And we'll strip this whole lot off here, and this is what we end up with. So you end up with, we'll have to do a little bit of picking down there, clean that up. But that is okay. So all the way up, and it's okay. You see how it's solid there? So that's okay as well, and that's all good. So that can actually be painted. A bit of putty needed in a hole there. But a little bit of a picking here, just to get rid of any loose stuff, and that's acceptable. Now I've managed to go in so far here with a 4-inch sander, and I've taken this whole bottom section off here, and I've stripped the handrail down. Now, I don't know if we can see, I'll try and get this in here. As you can see there, that's all peeling. So I'll run the sander down across the top of that, and I'll actually strip that off as well, and I'll probably just run the sander up, 4 or 5 inches on that and just see how it goes. But these were badly peeling, as were the side ones on the western side and that. Now if you're actually good with a sander, you won't mark it. The only time you'll mark it is when you're doing this down here and you happen to touch this sill. So you've got to be very careful that you don't hit that there. But you need to get rid of all this dead wood. The dead wood's the paint won't stick to that. So.
There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. to see it crashing out the skies like a tide.
I just found this little fella on the ground. He's a little bit dead. I don't know why he's dead or what sort of bird he is, but yeah, I just found him on the ground over there. Anyhow, poor little fella. A little burial here, I suppose. You can go down there. Anyhow, back to the sanding. I've just spotted, I just went to grab my Makita sander so I could put a coarser disc on, the 24 rather than the 40. So when I went to undo it, I saw that it was broken. So actually, it's really glad that, because that's what they're meant to look like. So I'm probably glad that I went to change the disc, even though that disc isn't fully worn out. Yeah, very lucky.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human.
I'm just going to be mini rolling it all, and then I'll mini roll from this side, put some drop sheets down, mini roll from this side, and then I'll mini roll from the other side.
It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Well, it's at the end of day 10 and I've not finished. I did finish early one day, so we're going to put half a day on that, but I'm still not going to be able to finish the job in that 10 days. So what can I say? I've still got to spray all this balustrading, sand it down and spray it yet, and I've just got to finish that face up there and bring all the posts down. Plus I've got the 2 front doors to do. Now I'm just going to find out whether they wanted them stripped right back or what they wanted to do with those front doors. Yeah, a bit disappointed in myself actually, but what do? That whole veranda needed stripping off.